All right, Haley, what's our haul?
We have strawberry banana body armor, 2 Carolina pulled pork sandwich, and a cherry lime body armor.
One word, yummy.
We love snacks.
Dink.
All right. Snack run complete. Only 152 miles until we get to the Nuthouse.
3.5 hours and 250 miles later, we are now approaching the Nuthouse. It's less than a mile away. Haley, remember, we're looking for the coolest house in America. So as we approach, be thinking, oh, is this coolest house?
I'm getting excited. I like the farmland and the fluffy cows.
Oh, the cows.